guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a 10-minute easy glam look. This is what it looks like. It's really fast, really simple. I'm using a lot of new products in this video and it's just very nice and simple, but obviously it looks like you put a lot of effort into it, especially the eyeshadow. I think it just looks very nice yet simple. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up down below and make sure to subscribe if you aren't already. So let me just stop babbling on and let's get on to the video. Okay, to kind of prime my skin, I'm going to use the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. I don't really like this as a setting spray, but I think it's pretty cool for like a priming spray because I feel like it just leaves me like a little too dewy at the end of my makeup, so I feel like before, if I put it on, it'll just look really nice and fresh. I'm going to be priming my skin using the Too Faced Prime and Peachy Matte Primer and the Hello Fab First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer. And for my second primer, I'm going to be using the No Poreblem Primer. I'm just going to use this just like I use my Professional in the T-zone, mostly by my cheeks. And for my foundation, I'm using the Aleginist Color Correcting Anti-Aging Serum. It has SPF 15. It's a really nice foundation. It comes like this. And I'm going to be using this Pure Cosmetics little brush. I don't know what the name is. I'll put it right here so you guys know. And what I really like about this is because if I'm in a hurry, I can just use this brush with this foundation. It just makes it so much easier and so much faster. And honestly, it doesn't look cakey at all. It just looks very nice and flawless. And just for extra coverage under my eyes, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. And basically, I just kind of put it around my cheeks, but still like under my eye like that. And like I always do, I am putting it in the T-zone just for some extra coverage and brightness. And now I'm going to bake my face with the CoverFX powder. This just makes my skin look very matte, but you know, not too matte where it's like uncomfortable. So, I look super crazy right now, but this is just how it looks. But I promise, like after this, it looks better. I only baked for about like a minute or two, so it's been about 2 minutes, so I'm going to just wipe it all away with my powder brush. And as I wipe it away on my cheeks, I'm going to move it down here on the rest of my face. Okay, so the next step is bronzer. I'm going to be using my good old Park Avenue Princess bronzer. This is what it looks like. As you can tell, it has gotten a lot of love throughout these past couple of years. And I'm just going to basically, you know how the deal is. I'm sure you guys all know how to use bronzer, so I'm just going to kind of make a 3. I'm not going to apply too much of this bronzer because I'm going to use another one in a second. This bronzer is very warm, so I'm going to go into my Hoola bronzer by Benefit. And this is a little bit more cool tone, so it'll kind of help out with that, you know, contour shape. And now for blush, I'm going to be going into the same Park Avenue Princess little kit. I'm going to be using this blush. So you want to avoid putting your blush like on the apples of your cheeks because that will make you look like a clown. So if you put it on the high points, like right up here, kind of where your highlighter goes, it will just make your cheeks look very like high and you don't, you know, you won't look like a clown. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in a little bit because I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm first going to comb them out with this little spoolie. I'm going to be using this brow gel. It's tinted. While I got you guys zoomed in, I'm going to go to my eyeshadow now. I'm going to be priming my eyelids with the Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer, and I love this stuff so much. Whether you have dry eyelids, oily eyelids, honestly, they work for any skin type. For today's eye look, I'm going to be using the Kylie Jenner Nice palette. I recently just received this for Christmas, and I love using this when I do glam looks. I'm first going to take this shade Lullaby, and I'm going to pack that shade all over my lid just so it can kind of set my primer and just as a base. So now that I have that base shade all over my lid, I'm going to go into the shade Santa Baby. This is what it looks like right here. And I'm going to take that pretty much all over my lid and in my crease. And then I'm going to take some of this shade Ginger Snap right here, and I'm going to lightly put this in my crease just because it's so pigmented and I don't want to make it too dark. I just want to add some color into there. So now that that is done, I'm going to take the shade Gumdrop right here, and I'm going to kind of put this on my inner corner and a little bit on the center of my lid. It looks like, and I'm going to dip into the shade Macaroon just a little bit into like my outer corner just so I can have that pop of pink. I'm going to mix the shade Macaroon right here and the shade Wonderland, and I'm going to put this on my lower lash line. And this is what the eye looks like. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to put on some mascara. Okay, now for highlighter, I'm using this Glow Kit. It is in that glow. And I'm going to be mixing in Sunburst and Bubbly. And of course, I'm going to put that on my nose. A little cute highlight. And on my Cupid's bow because I love a good Cupid's bow highlight. Now I'm going to put it in my inner corner just for that extra brightness. And I'm also going to be putting it under my eyebrow like that. Oh my gosh! Now I'm going to be using lipstick. I'm using the Julep lipstick in the shade Primp. It looks like this. I really like this shade. It's a really nice like rosy mauve color, and my friend Caitlin gave this to me, so shout out to Caitlin out there. I really like it. And the last step is setting spray. I'm using the Urban Decay Chill Makeup Setting Spray. I love this so much, just the only thing I don't like about it is that it smells like Elmer's glue. And this is what the final look looks like, and it's just very pretty and glowy but also matte at the same time. So I'll insert some clips on some close-ups on my makeup. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up down below and make sure to subscribe if you aren't already, and don't forget to turn the post notifications on so you know when I upload a video. And don't forget to leave some comments down below on what videos you would like to see next. That really helps me out. I love you all so much, and as always, I will see you guys next time. Bye!